So, you want to curve the ball.
It's a 30-yard free kick with a 20-yard run-up.
Dear, dear! I don't believe it! What a goal we have just seen from Roberto Carlos. That is amazing!
Well, that was what was missing in Euro 96. That is quite incredible.
Well, Dragons, you're in the right place. Let's see if my coach Tom can help give any tips.
Whip your foot around the ball to generate spin.
Oh!
That was very cool, Tom, thank you, but not super helpful. There's a lot more that goes into a good curved shot than just whipping your foot around the ball. There's actually a lot of physics behind it, but don't worry, I can help you out with that. First, the run-up. A curved shot is slightly different from a regular one. The whole point is to generate enough spin on the ball so that it curves through the air. So you need to get a good angle when you run up. Unlike a regular shot where you stand at around 45 degrees, you'll need to be more to the side so you can spin the ball more. Your planning foot should aim more outside than you would for a regular shot. This is because you're technically aiming towards the outside, it's just that the ball changes trajectory to curve back inwards. So here, if I'm trying to aim for the top right corner, I would have my planting foot point towards the left side of the goal. That way, when I whip my foot around the ball, it will kick towards the left and then curve into the right. Here's the difference between a regular pass and a curved one using the techniques I mentioned. The regular pass went straight into the middle of the goal, while the curved pass had a bent trajectory where it went further to the left than the target and then back into the bottom left corner. You can see that in the curved shot, the ball naturally went up and then curved back down, even though I was only really putting effort into curving horizontally and aiming for the bottom left corner. Here's where things get a little more interesting. You have to almost scrape the ball from the side, perpendicular to the shot, so that it spins, rather than just hitting the ball from behind. When you do this, the ball will naturally spin diagonally, not just horizontally. This is because your leg will be almost fully extended when you kick the ball, so when you follow through, your leg raises up and the ball follows diagonally. This creates topspin on the ball, which makes it so that not only does your ball curve from side to side, but it also curves vertically, so it goes up and comes down faster than a normal shot. This is where the follow through is very important. Your follow through adds accuracy, power, and spin to the shot. You can see Tom bringing his shooting leg across after he shoots, which ensures that the foot goes around the ball fully to add as much spin as possible. What actually causes a curved trajectory is called the Magnus effect. This is when spinning airflow deflects the path of a spinning object. This diagram shows how the Magnus effect adds extra force downwards when there is topspin. As a ball travels from right to left and air resistance opposes it, the way the ball is spinning makes the air push upwards. Kind of like when a rocket is launched, the air pushes the ball in the opposite direction, which is downwards in this case. So when the ball travels in the air, there is extra force downwards due to the spin. The ball will accelerate downwards more than it normally does with only gravity, meaning it speeds up faster. As for the side spin, the same concept applies. There is the force of gravity and the force of air resistance, and also a horizontal Magnus force. So if I spin the ball with my left foot, it would go more to the right than the angle of the applied force from my kick due to this rightward acceleration. So when you combine the horizontal and vertical spin, the Magnus effect results in a diagonal curve. This makes it even harder for the keeper to save the shot due to unpredictability, and it can help you get the ball over a wall in a free kick. I hope this video helped you improve your curved shot technique and also understand what's actually going on when you do it in games. Go Dragons!